In the heart of the Australian outback, a small koala named Koby lived peacefully in a towering eucalyptus tree. Koby was known for his quick wit and resourcefulness, though his small size often made others underestimate him. One day, a ferocious lion named Leo wandered into the outback, far from his usual savannah home. Hungry and irritable, Leo declared himself king of the land and demanded that all animals bow to him or face his wrath. The animals were terrified. Even though Leo was far from his natural habitat, his strength and roar were enough to send shivers through the outback. Koby, however, was not so easily intimidated. While the other animals cowered, he hatched a plan. One sunny afternoon, Koby approached Leo with a calm demeanor. "Oh, mighty king," he said with a bow, "I have heard of your great strength and wisdom. But surely even a king like you must prove himself worthy of ruling this land." Leo, intrigued but suspicious, narrowed his eyes. "And how do you propose I do that, little one?" Koby gestured toward a nearby cliff where a massive boulder rested precariously on the edge. "Only the strongest of rulers could push that boulder off the cliff to show their might," Koby said with a sly smile. Leo laughed. "Is that all? Watch and learn." He padded over to the boulder and began pushing with all his might. The boulder was heavy, but Leo's pride drove him to exert every ounce of strength he had. As he pushed and shoved, Koby quietly scampered behind him. Just as Leo managed to dislodge the boulder, it began to roll down the cliff. But not before Koby gave it one final nudge to ensure it picked up speed. The massive rock tumbled into a dry riverbed below, blocking it completely. "Well done," Koby exclaimed. "But now comes the true test of kingship, solving problems for your subjects. That boulder has blocked our water supply. A wise ruler must find a way to fix this." Leo groaned, exhausted from his earlier effort. He realized that moving the boulder back was impossible without help, and no animal would assist him after his earlier threats. Defeated and embarrassed, Leo slinked away in search of easier prey elsewhere. The animals cheered for Koby's cleverness. He had not only outwitted the lion, but also taught everyone an important lesson. True strength lies not in brute force, but in wisdom and kindness. Moral of the story: intelligence and clever thinking can triumph over physical strength and intimidation.